Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated releases in the world of mirrorless cameras, the Sony A7V. With Sony's recent silence, it's clear that the tech giant has been preparing something revolutionary that could very well change the game for content creators, photographers, and videographers alike. Let's break down everything you need to know about this powerhouse, and why it could be Sony's most formidable mirrorless offering yet. A new era for mirrorless technology. The Sony A7V isn't just an incremental update, it's a leap forward in hybrid camera technology. In fact, it's shaping up to be a game changer in how we approach shooting in various environments. With whispers of AI-powered lenses, faster autofocus systems, and groundbreaking sensor advancements, this camera might not just elevate the EID's alpha lineup, it could redefine the future of mirrorless systems for the next decade. The catalyst for change: when the Sony A7IV hit the market, it caused quite a stir. But since its release in 2021, Sony has remained relatively quiet, while other players like Canon, Nikon, and Panasonic made headlines with their flagship models. Canon's R6 Mark II, Nikon's ZF, and Panasonic's S5X took bold steps, but Sony remained focused behind the scenes, engineering something more profound than just an update: a sensor to rewrite the rules. The A7V is rumored to feature a new 33-megapixel BSI sensor, potentially a stacked sensor that would drastically reduce rolling shutter. This is a game-changer for action photographers and videographers, offering crisp and clear images even in fast-paced situations, like motorsports, wildlife shots, or street photography. What does this mean? No more smearing, jello, or warping. In your fast-moving shots, you'll experience real-world speed without any visual compromise. Cinematic video capabilities. For filmmakers, the Sony A7V is shaping up to be a true powerhouse. The rumored video specs include 10-bit 4.2.2, all-intra 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second, all with no crop. An incredible feature for anyone shooting cinematic video. Furthermore, HDMI RAW output might allow for 16-bit external ProRes RAW recording, a first for a non-S model A7 series camera. Even more enticing is the possibility of a revamped color science, particularly around skin tone rendering in mixed lighting conditions. Photographers and filmmakers alike will appreciate the inclusion of a dynamic LUT preview on the screen, enabling a smoother color grading process directly on set, without relying on third-party tools. AI-enhanced autofocus. The ultimate tracking system. What sets the A7V apart from its competitors is its expected AI-driven autofocus system. Imagine a system that doesn't just lock onto subjects, but predicts their behavior. Early testers of the A7V prototype have mentioned how it can maintain focus on fast-moving subjects, even when obstructed by obstacles like poles or trees. For videographers and photographers, this means fewer ruined focus pulls and more consistent results during shoots. Moreover, this could also mean fewer instances of lost focus during solo shoots, making it perfect for content creators working on their own or small crews. Addressing heat management and ergonomics. The Sony A7V is also rumored to address a common complaint with its predecessors: overheating. Borrowing a page from the Sony FX3 playbook, it's believed that the A7V will feature an advanced vapor chamber cooling system, making overheating a thing of the past, allowing for continuous 4K recording in normal room conditions. Additionally, the grip design has been reportedly reworked for extended handheld comfort, making it more ergonomic for those long shooting sessions. Enhanced power management. Sony is known for its robust battery life, and the A7V is expected to take this a step further. Rumors suggest that Sony is introducing an intelligent power management system that can learn from your shooting habits and adjust power consumption accordingly. Need to shoot time-lapses? The A7V will automatically reduce the screen brightness or offload processing to save power. Port options and connectivity. The Sony A7V is also rumored to offer improved connectivity options, including full-size HDMI, dual CF Express Type-A, and SD UHS-2 slots, and a USB-C port with live power delivery. This makes it perfect for streaming, long event coverage, and other professional setups. The future of AI in camera lenses. Now, this is where things get really interesting. In March 2025, a Sony patent surfaced online showcasing a smart contact. Lens mount redesign capable of communicating lens metadata in real time, even adjusting focus dynamically. Could the A7V be the first camera to incorporate this cutting-edge lens technology? If so, we might be looking at Sony's quiet foray into AI-assisted optics, taking hybrid photography to the next level, unifying photography and videography one. Of the biggest selling points of the A7V could be its ability to unify the needs of both photographers and videographers. Fast autofocus, high-speed shooting, and AI-driven behavior prediction will delight action and wildlife photographers. Meanwhile, filmmakers will benefit from its improved video recording capabilities and enhanced color science. Whether you're a travel vlogger, a wedding cinematographer, or an action sports photographer, the A7V could be the camera that brings everything you need into one refined body. The price and competition at a rumored price of around $2,599. The Sony A7V is expected to be a direct competitor to cameras like the Canon R6 Mark II, Nikon ZF, and Panasonic S5X. In terms of autofocus speed, hybrid performance, and video capabilities, the A7V could very well set a new standard for the industry. If Sony prices it right and delivers on the rumored specs, this could become the go-to recommendation for hybrid content creators in 2025, a bold move in the mirrorless battle. If the Sony A7V performs as expected, it will reaffirm Sony's dominance in the mirrorless market. While Canon and Nikon have made strides with their own systems, Sony has been quietly waiting for the right moment to strike. The A7V could be that moment. It could not only redefine the mirrorless standard, but also force its competitors to rethink their strategies, potentially speeding up the development of future models from Canon and Nikon. The bottom line, is the A7V the right evolution? Ultimately, the A7V could be the perfect camera for hybrid creators who need both exceptional stills and cinematic video. Whether you're a photographer or filmmaker, the A7V promises to deliver top-tier performance in a portable and powerful package. However, if you're someone who demands cutting-edge technology, the upcoming Sony A9 might be worth waiting for. So, what do you think? Will the A7V be the camera that finally delivers everything you need? Or is Sony simply laying the groundwork for something even bigger in the future? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates as we continue to explore the latest in technology, gadgets, and more. 2025 is going to be a game changer for the camera industry, and you won't want to miss it.